Hi everyone, welcome to Fix It Free. Welcome to this new video, guys. In today's video I will show you the safest way to translate your theme, your WordPress theme. So just watch this video till the end and don't skip any part. So guys, let's go ahead, and in this video, in this tutorial, we will need a plugin called Loco Translate. So what this plugin do, it will allow you to translate the whole script, completely your script, without touching any code or changing anything on the code of the script. So go over the plugin market and search for Loco Translate, and here is the plugin. I already have it, so you need to install this plugin and then activate it. And once you did that, you will find the place here at the bottom of your dashboard for the plugin Loco Translate. Click on in this part and go to theme, as you can see here. Here you'll find the list of all your theme available on your WordPress. I have only one theme, so let's go over this theme. And here you will have all the language supported within this theme. As you can see, all those language was translated by the company that made this theme. So you just need to activate this and it will work immediately without needing of any translation. For me, I want to translate my script to Arabic, so go over Arabic and click edit. If you don't have your language in this list, add a new language here, as you can see, and then select your language here. Or if you want a custom language, you don't find your language here, for if it is a local language or that it isn't available in this list, just put here the name of your language and start a manual translation of your theme. So let's get back to our list of languages, and here all you need to do after adding your language, if it isn't here, click on edit, and here you will find all the element in the source text. As you can see, the background, activate license, and all this you can translate it to Arabic. So let's get back to my website, and for me, for example, I want to translate this button here to Arabic, register. So what I need to do is search for register in this part here, in the filter translation, paste register here, and you will find it here. So here put the translation for this source text, and let's translate this. And here click on save, and then get back to the website, refresh this, and as you can see, this was translated successfully. And you can do all this with everything that you want to translate. For example, user here, as you can see, password, email, sign up. You can translate your whole script manually, or there is an option here if you want to translate this. Here you can translate your theme at you can do a bulk translation using an API code, using Google Translation or Bing. Or in order to do that, just go over settings under the Loco Translate, and here you will find a tab of the API keys. Here you can choose either Google Translate or Microsoft or Yandex. You can choose whatever you want, for example, and here there is a link for every translation tool. Click on this link, and here you will have a possibility to get a free API key here, and then paste your API here, and this will allow you to bulk translate the whole script, the whole team at once within this robot translation. So I hope you understand how you can do all those stuff and translate your team safely. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Fix It Free, and don't forget also to give me your viewpoint, your experience about this plugin. And thank you guys.